daily news updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The Asia-Pacific Supramax freight rates were flat on July 28 amid a lack of trading activity. The Asia-Pacific Panamax freight rates were softer on July 28 amid a softer outlook.
Merchant shipping bill seeks to ensure transparency in charges levied by service providers. In a move aimed at imparting transparency, service providers or agents of Indian vessels or other vessels operating in coastal waters in relation to import, export, or domestic transportation will have to disclose upfront all the charges levied from the users under the merchant shipping bill currently being discussed in the Lok Sabha. By making it statutory for service providers in the maritime sector to disclose upfront the charges levied from users, the government is looking to meet a long-standing demand of exporters and importers in transporting cargo in containers. Transparency means service providers will have to disclose upfront whatever they are charging. That's all, nothing else, said a government official. Petronet seeks 12,000 crore rupee loan to fund expansion plans. India's top gas importer Petronet LNG is looking to raise a 12,000 crore rupee loan to fund the expansion of a plant, its head of finance, Mishra, said in an analyst call on Monday. The company is building a petrochemical plant in Gujarat at the cost of 20,685 crore rupees. Petronet aims to spend 30,000 crore rupees in the next few years and most of that on building a petrochemical project, Mishra said. Its capital expenditure for 2026 to 27 would be higher than the 5,000 crore rupees estimated for the current fiscal year to March 2026, he said. India's GAIL issues swap tender for 6 LNG cargoes, sources say. GAIL Limited has issued a swap tender offering 6 US-loaded liquefied natural gas cargoes in exchange for 6 deliveries to India, 2 industry sources said on Tuesday. GAIL, India's largest gas distributor, is offering the cargoes for loading on a free-on-board basis in February, April, June, August, October and December 2026 from Sabine Pass or Cove Point, said one of the sources. In exchange, GAIL is seeking 6 cargoes for delivery on a delivered ex-ship basis to India for the same months. Indian refiners look more widely for oil after EU's Russia curbs. Oil refiners in India, the biggest importer of Russian crude, may be looking at diversifying some buying away from Moscow after fresh European Union sanctions on the Kremlin amid the war in Ukraine. Local processors are exploring options on some inputs, although it's too early to say that they've switched out of typical Russian supply in a major way, according to traders and refinery executives who asked not to be identified discussing private matters. The global oil market is assessing the fallout from the EU's latest wave of curbs, which included sanctions against a major Indian refiner that sparked Russian-held, a lower price cap, as well as imports of petroleum products made from Moscow's crude. At the same time, investors are also contending with moves by OPEC Plus to restore shuttered production and the fallout from the United States' multi-front trade war. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.